has hiccups, and you know, hiccups, it will go away.
That's so interesting.
Yes, I know. That's crazy.
I know another remedy too. My sister told me if you buy a lemon, the hiccups will go away. My niece is 2 years old and she has the hiccups. Let's try those remedies.
Yes, let's try.
Azalia, come here. Sit here, please. Let's watch which one is better. I will put the three.
Okay.
She doesn't have the hiccups.
Yes, the drug treat is true.
Yeah, thanks, friend.
You're welcome.
Yeah. That's so interesting.
Yes, I know. That's crazy.